Hello friends, welcome back to the shortcut world. This is multiplication part 8. As I promised yesterday, today I'm gonna teach you multiplication shortcuts of 3-digit number. Yes, you can multiply 3 digits in just a single line. It is possible. Yes, it is possible. So let's begin with this. To start with, let's consider some simple numbers so that you can understand this easily. Let's say I have a number 1, 2, 1 and I want to multiply this by 3, 2, 1. This is going to be 5-step process. Don't worry about the step because I'm going to explain each and every step and you will never forget this. And I'm pretty sure that you will forget the traditional method by which you used to multiply. In the first step, we'll multiply both the unit digits. Here we have 1 and 1, which is in blue color. 1 into 1 is 1. The result will come at the unit place. In step 2, we'll cross multiply unit digit and tens digit. Here we have 2 and 1. Tens digit we have 2 in both the numbers and 1 at the unit place. So we'll multiply 2 into 1. Once again 2 into 1. We get the result as 4. This is gonna be tens digit. We'll write down 4. Now let's move on to the step 3. This is little complex, but don't worry. As the symbol shows, we need to multiply unit digit with the hundred digit. Once again, we have one more unit digit and hundred digit, and tens digit with another tens digit. And once this is done, we need to add all this. So let's do it. We have 1 into 1. This is gonna be 1. Now 3 into 1, this is going to be 3. Now 2 into 2, this would become 4. Now add all these 1, 3 and 4. The sum is 8. This is the 100th digit of our answer. Now let's move on to the step 4. The step 4 is multiplication of tens digit and hundreds digit. So we have 1 and 2. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6. Addition of 2 and 6 is 8. Now let's write it down. And the last and final step is the multiplication of hundreds digit with another hundreds digit. So we can simply multiply 1 and 3. 1 into 3 is 3. Let's write it down. That's it, my dear friends. Now this was very simple. Now let's move on to another question which is little complex than this, which contains some carry. So let's try to solve a question 722 into 901. Definitely there would be carry, right? Now from step 1 we know we need to multiply the unit digit. 2 into 1 is 2. The step 2, cross multiplication of unit and tens digit. We have 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 into 0 is 0. 2 and 0 is 2. Now step 3, cross multiplication of unit and hundreds digit and multiplication of tens with tens. So we'll get 7 into 1 is 7, 9 into 2 is 18 and 2 into 0 is 2. That means we got 7 plus 18 plus 0, that means 25. How would you write 25? We'll write 2 at the next digit and 5 at its right place. So 2 becomes carry and 5 will come at the hundreds place. Now let's move on to the step 4. The step 4 is cross multiplication of tens and hundreds digit. So here we have 7 into 0 is 0, 9 into 2 is 18, 0 plus 18 is 18. 8 will come at the 1000 place and 1 would be carry, that would come at the 10,000 place. Now let's move on to the step 5, which is 7 and 9, multiplication of the hundreds digit with the another hundreds digit. So 7 into 9 is 63. Just write it down, 6 and 3. Now add the carry and write down. So we get 2, 2, 5. And 8 plus 2 is 10. I am writing in this way. Now 3 and 2 becomes 5 and 6 would come alone. This is your answer. 650522. You can tally this with your calculator. As you know, we daily upload a session on shortcut mathematics at 6 p.m. in animated way. In the next video, I'm going to teach you how to multiply the numbers which are close to 100. This is very simple. You can solve this within 1 or 2 seconds. Let's say you need to multiply 93 and 94. In the same way 103, 108. So any number which is close to 100 can be multiplied very easily. in just 1 or 2 seconds. We'll have a look at this in the next session. Let me share some details about the session. This session will be uploaded on 30th August 2017, that means on Wednesday, and timing, as you know, it's 6 p.m. IST or 12:30 p.m. GMT. Please subscribe the channel for the notification, or if you don't want to subscribe right now, you want to take time, please be available on this time. We'll have a great time in the next session. But as of now, thank you very much for watching this video, and please stay tuned with us.